Regular people with 0 followers are making real money on TikTok Shop. No product, no inventory, no showing your face if you don't want to. But 80% of people who try it fail, and they all fail at the same way. I'll show you the exact steps that put you in the other 20%. Let's go. Quick setup so this makes sense. TikTok Shop is TikTok and Amazon smashed together. People scroll, they see a product in a video, they tap, and they buy without ever leaving the app. That's a genius approach by TikTok. They don't click off to some other website. One tap and it's done. Now you're the affiliate. You make videos for those products. Someone buys through your video, you get a cut. That's it. Here's why it's beginner heaven. You don't have to have no inventory, no shipping, no customer service, no upfront costs. You pick a product, you request a free sample, you film it, you post it. The brand handles everything else. And it's massive. TikTok Shop did over $20 billion in US sales this year, and it's still growing fast. Affiliate videos drive most of it, so the money is real, and there's plenty of it. Now, let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1 is to get access and pick a lane. To join, you need 1,000 followers. That's the gate. If you're not there yet, post some normal videos in your niche until you hit it. At 1,000, you can post shop videos. If you hit 5,000, and you can post unlimited. Now the important part, pick one niche, not everything, all right? Just one. Why is that the case? Because the algorithm learns what you sell and finds the right buyers for you. If you jump around and it never figures you out, you have to pick a niche with good commissions. Beauty and skincare pay 15 to 30%. Home and fitness are strong too. Electronics, well, I would skip them. They pay like 2 to 5, sometimes 12% on premium. So you work twice as hard for half the money. Best move, pick something you actually use and like. It shows on camera and real beats fake every time. Step 2, and this decides everything. The product matters more than the video. Here's the beginner trap. People pick cheap $5 gadgets because they feel easy to sell. But at 10%, that's 50 cents a sale. You need 2,000 sales to make a grand. That's brutal. Now, here's the sweet spot the pros use. Products priced $30 to $70. That's high enough that your cut is real money, and it's low enough that people buy it on impulse without thinking. So, a 20% cut on a $50 product is $10 a sale. Way better math. All right, it's way better. So how to find these winners? Go into TikTok Shop Marketplace. Sort by best sellers in your niche. Look for products with lots of sales and good reviews already. You want proof it converts before you touch it. Don't guess, just follow the data. And then you request free sample. You need the product in your hands to make a real video. Never sell something you haven't held. Step 3, the videos. And good news, TikTok is raw and real, not polished. So you don't need fancy gear, a phone and good lighting near a window. That's it. But the video has to convert. Here's the formula that works. Hook them in the first 2 seconds. Just show the product right away and say exactly what it does. This $20 gadget fixed my whole morning. No slow build, no mystery. Show the value instantly or they scroll. Then you just demonstrate it. You actually use it, unbox it, show it working, show the before and after, if it's possible. Videos that demonstrate the product convert 3 to 5 times better than you just talking about it. People buy what they can see working. And end with a clear call to action. Tap the orange cart to grab yours. People need to be told. Simple as that. And weave the product into a story or a problem. Don't just scream, buy this, buy this. The algorithm now rewards videos people actually watch to the end. High retention means more views. More views means more sales. So make it watchable first and salesy second. Step 4, and this is where the 80% lose, volume. Here's the failure pattern, and it's always the same. People post 4 or 5 videos, they get no sales, and they quit inside 30 days. That's it. That's why most fail. The winners treat it like a business. They post 3 times a day, every day, because here's the truth. This is a lottery where you already know half the winning numbers. Most of your videos will flop. That's normal. That's what everyone has been doing. But every video is another ticket, and one winner can bring thousands in a single week. The data backs it. Creators posting 5+ times a week do over 3 times the sales of people posting twice. Volume isn't optional. It's the whole game. So batch film. Grab a weekend, film a pile of videos in a couple of hours, and then post them across the week. Your goal early, it isn't the money early on. It's reps. Learn what works by doing a lot of it. Now the honest part, the gurus skip, the traps. Trap number 1, well, it's the dual commission rate. This one stings. A brand can set one rate for organic sales and a lower one for ads. So your video sells great. The brand turns it into an ad, and suddenly your cut drops. It's not a scam. It's in the system. But check both rates before you promote so you're not surprised. Trap number 2, it's the hidden costs. This isn't free. Examples you buy. Editing apps. Taxes. Set aside 25 to 30% for taxes because you're self-employed now. If you're spending $500 a month on samples and making $800, your real profit is thin. Track it. Trap number 3, predatory agencies. You will get a lot of DMs from agencies promising to manage you. Many take up to 60% of your commissions for basically nothing. You don't need them to start. Just ignore the spam. And trap number 4, the rules. Always tag your videos as affiliate or ad. It's the law, and TikTok enforces it. Don't make fake product claims, and don't spam like 50 links a day out of nowhere, or you get flagged. Now, here's the real picture, like always. Most beginners make under $100 a month because most quit. The ones who stick land somewhere from $500 to $5,000 a month, sometimes way more. It's the same tool. The only difference is who kept posting. So the winning move isn't talent, it's this. Just pick one niche, sell mid-price products people impulse buy, post 3 times a day, and don't quit at day 30 right before your first winner hits. The window is open now, early, like Amazon affiliates back in 2010. The people getting in early and treating it like a job are the ones building something real, not the smartest, the most consistent ones. So that's the step-by-step. Get in, pick a niche, pick smart products, make videos that show the product, and post like it's your job, like it's your daily job. Film your first video today, not next week, today, and be consistent with it. The early movers win this one. Go be one. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.